In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change picture in Canva template. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Canva, choose a template, upload your own photo, and replace an existing image with just a quick drag and drop. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. Click through to the official site so you're on the home page. Before you start designing, make sure you're logged into your account. Being signed in ensures your uploads are saved and easy to reuse across designs, and it keeps your work auto-saved as you go. Once you're on the home page and signed in, look for the Create button near the top of the page. Click it to start a new design. This opens your workspace and gets you ready to pick a layout that fits what you're making, whether it's a social post, a flyer, or a presentation. Next, choose a template you like. You can browse the options and preview how each one looks. Pick a design that includes a photo area you want to change. When you select a template, it will load onto your canvas so you can start customizing it right away. Now move over to the left-hand panel and click on Uploads. This is where your personal images live, separate from Canva's stock photos. In Uploads, click the Upload Files button. Your computer's file picker will open, and you can choose the image you want to use. Common formats like JPG and PNG work great. Select your file, confirm, and give it a moment to upload. You'll see a small progress indicator, and when it's done, the image thumbnail will appear in your Uploads library. With your photo uploaded, you're ready to replace the picture in the template. Click and drag your uploaded image from the Uploads panel directly onto the existing image in the design. As you drag over the old picture, you'll notice it highlight or the frame boundaries show up. Release your mouse, and Canva will instantly swap the original image with your photo while keeping the template's layout intact. If you're dropping onto a photo frame, it will snap into place automatically so everything stays aligned. That's it. You searched for Canva, logged in, created a new design, chose a template, went to Uploads, uploaded your file, and dragged it onto the image you wanted to replace. Canva autosaves as you work, so your changes are preserved. If you want to continue refining your design, you can adjust other elements later, but your picture replacement is complete. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with your updated Canva template.